Hey guys, I got this same Craftsman that I was working on before, and it needs a new pull cord. It's pretty frayed, as you can see. So just I flip it on its front end, take out the 9mm bolts, and then I pull the cable out until it's all the way out, lock it in with a screwdriver. Then I just snip the nut off, and then all I gotta do, pull it out of the handle, run my new line, like that one, and then it's going to pull that through. It's roughly 6 feet, about an arm's length. I usually go a little bit extra. I can always shorten it, can't always make it longer. Hit it with a quick torch to put a nice tip on it, and then what we're going to do is thread back through, turn it a little bit so it gets through the hole there. Oops. And then once it's through, pull it all the way out, put a knot on this end. Doesn't need to be any special knot. I usually hit that with a little bit of flame so that doesn't come undone. So that's in and tight. We're run it through the handle, knot up here. We usually do a double loop with a little bit of a tail on it. So that. Pull that in. Now I have a little tail there in case I need to get it out in the future. If it's a little sharp, I'll clip the edge off. Alright. Then we just release the screwdriver, and it pulls right back to center. Alright, throw it back on. Like that. And then we just put the 3 bolts back in. All right, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch me next time.